Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you how to quickly mark an email as unread on Gmail on your PC with the new update. So let's dive right in. The first step is to open up Gmail by heading to gmail.com in your web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see all your emails in your inbox. Next, you'll want to find the email that you wish to mark as unread. Simply scroll through your inbox until you locate the email in question. Now, hover your cursor over the email. You should see a few icons appear next to the email, including a small envelope icon. To mark the email as unread, all you need to do is click on the envelope icon. This action will reset the email status to unread, making it easier for you to identify and follow up on later. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can quickly mark an email as unread on Gmail using your PC. This feature can be incredibly useful for keeping track of important emails that you may not have had a chance to respond to yet. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.